Hello, welcome. So guys, I am Ariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete search history on YouTube. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So what you need to do is click on the history here, and now here is your watch history, and now you must click on the watch and search history. And here is your history which I deleted. You may, for example, delete to date, you may delete from range, and you may delete all time. And also here is you saving your watch history, and you may set auto delete, or don't delete, and auto delete activity older than 3 months, 6 months, and to click on the next. Okay, and it is way how to delete watch and search history. So thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. See you next time. Thanks.